Hello everyone. I'm Anjali Sinha, your geography teacher. We were discussing chapter 3 drainage. In this video we are going to discuss about the lakes and their importance. Lakes, the large depression on the earth's surface that get filled with water is known as lake. Lake can be formed by various activities such as number 1, tectonic activities. Second, erosional activities means erosion by glacier, by stream or rivers, by sea waves and by wind. Third, the volcanic activities. Fourth, human activities. Lakes in India. In India, there are 3 types of lakes: freshwater lakes, saltwater lakes, and human-made lakes. Freshwater lakes, they are mainly found in Himalayan regions. They are of glacier origin. Example, Dal Lake, Lothak Lake, etc. Saltwater lake, these lakes have saline water. They can be roughly classified into 2 categories. First, lakes in inland drainage region. Second, lagoons or backwater lakes. Lakes in inland drainage region. These lakes lies in the basins of drainage of semi-arid region. Example, Sambar Lake in Rajasthan. It is a seasonal lake. Lagoon or backwater lake. It is a shallow body of water separated from sea by a narrow strip of land or by sandbar. Example, Chilka Lake in Orissa, Pulicat Lake in Tamil Nadu. Human-made lakes. The damming of rivers for generation of hydel power leads to formation of reservoirs or lakes. Example, Guru Gobind Sagar on Satluj River, Nagarjun Sagar Lake on Krishna River. Lakes. India has many lakes. These differ from each other in the size and the other characteristics. Most lakes are permanent. Some contain water during the rainy season, like the lakes in basin of inland drainage of semi-arid regions. A meandering river across a floodplain forms cut-off that later develop into oxbow lakes. Spits and bars form lagoons in the coastal area. Example, the Chilka Lake, the Pulicat Lake, the Kolarru Lake. Lakes in the region of inland drainage are sometimes seasonal. For example, the Sambar Lake in Rajasthan, which is a saltwater lake. Its water is used for producing salt. Most of the freshwater lakes are in the Himalayan region. They are of glacier origin. In other words, they formed when glacier dug out a basin which was later filled with snow melt. The Wular Lake in Jammu Kashmir, in contrast, is the result of the tectonic activities. It is the largest freshwater lake in India. The Dal Lake, Bhimtal, Nainital, Lothak and Barapani are some other important freshwater lakes. Apart from natural lakes, the damming of the rivers for the generation of hydel power has also led to the formation of lakes such as Guru Gobind Sagar, Bhakra Nangal project. Look at the map. India's lakes. In this map, natural lakes and human-made lakes are shown. First, Wular Lake. It is example of natural lake. Gobind Sagar Lake, example of human-made lakes. Sambar Lake, a natural lake. Rana Pratap Sagar and Gandhi Sagar, example of human-made lakes. Govind Ballabh Pant, human-made lakes. Chilika Lake, natural lake. Kolleru Lake, natural lake. Pulikat Lake, natural lake. Nizam Sagar, human-made lake. Nagarjun Sagar, human-made lakes. Krishna Sagar, human-made lakes. Krishna Sagar, human-made lakes. Now, Bembanad, natural lake. Linga Namakki, natural lake. The rivers has been removed from this map to provide a clear view of lakes. Map part 2. Look at the map with river. Gobind Sagar Lake on Satluj River. Rana Pratap Sagar and Gandhi Sagar on Chambal River. Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar Lake on the tributaries of Son River. Nizam Sagar on the tributary of Godavari River. Nagarjun Sagar Lake on the Krishna River. That's all. Now, importance of lakes. Lakes are of great value to human beings. A lake helps to regulate the flow of a river. During heavy rainfall, it prevents flooding, and during the dry season, it helps to maintain an even flow of water. Lakes can also be used for developing hydel power. They moderate the climate of the surrounding area and maintain the aquatic ecosystem. Salt lake like Sambar Lake in Rajasthan are used for producing salt. Lakes enhance natural beauty, help develop tourism and provide recreation. That's all for today. See you in next time. Take very good care of yourself.